Amazon. First, select Amazon and create a new task. You should input the ASIN of the item. For example, I want to search 10980XE. Then, I need to input the ASIN and add keywords. Please change NO into yes if you want to click the ads link in the search engine. The number filled in max page represents the maximum number of pages for the software to search for the target URL. You can set the terms of use of keywords here. For other settings of this page, you can keep the default or set up what you prefer. You can select a path folder and check this option if you want to save browser cache. After you save the task, you can set up a schedule here. Then, click Run to run the task. Next, I'll show you some advanced options. Click Edit and find Custom Operation. I'll manually operate one time. And then I'll show you how to do this via the software. Add a sleep time to wait for the website load. Then, go to the browser and press F12 to open the DevTools. Click here and select the element you want to click. You can see the value of class in the DevTools. Then you can fill in the value in the software. Don't forget to save settings. Here index 0 means the first element the software find accord to the class you input. You can click Get Element Count to know if the element is found according to your settings. Click here to test. Then you can do the next step. It's better to add a sleep time between each step. Then select the element again. Its class in the DevTools. You can use the value of class in the software too. After setup finished, don't forget to save. Alright, that should be all. Thanks for watching.